Mid-engine. American muscle. Supercar looks without the six-figure price tag. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8 continues to redefine what a performance car can be, and it's only getting sharper. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we dive into the latest in automotive design and tech so you can stay ahead of the curve. Today, we're looking at the 2026 C8, and trust us, there's a lot to get excited about. Design. Let's talk design. The C8's mid-engine layout still turns heads, and for 2026, Chevy has fine-tuned the body with revised front and rear fascias, new wheel designs, and updated LED lighting. The aggressive stance, wide hips, and sharp lines give it the presence of a true exotic, but with that unmistakable Corvette DNA. Inside, it's all about the driver. The cockpit is focused, premium, and now features improved material quality and more color options for a personalized feel. Performance. Under the hood, or technically, behind the seats, is the heart of the beast, a 6.2 LLT2 V8 pushing out up to 500 horsepower, depending on the trim. It's paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that snaps through gears lightning fast. Acceleration? 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds in the Z51 trim. For 2026, ride quality and handling have been further refined, making the C8 as comfortable on back roads as it is on the track. Features and technology. Tech-wise, the 2026 C8 gets an upgraded infotainment system, now faster and more intuitive, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. A new performance data recorder and improved driver assistance features round out the package, bringing modern convenience to a timeless sports car. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Corvette C8 still the best performance bargain on the market? It's faster, smarter, and better looking than ever, and still delivers that signature Corvette thrill. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more sharp, honest takes on the cars that matter. Thanks for watching, see you next time.